You are watching Napoleon Daily's Discipline, the place where excuses get burned and soft. Advice dies. If you're tired of being lied to, ready to face the truth hidden, hit subscribe. This is where your real growth starts. Let's not pretend no one respects you and you can feel it. People ignore you, they flake, they talk over you. And here is the cold, brutal truth. It is not because they're bad, it is because you let them. You want respect? Then start acting like someone who demands it. Right now you do not. You tolerate everything. Someone cancels on you. You say it is okay. They talk down to you. You just laugh it off. You are constantly offering discounts on your time, your value, your presence, then cry when no one's paying full price. Respect is not something you wait for. It is something you command. People don't admire the version of you who keeps quiet, stays soft, and avoids conflict. They respect the version that says, no, that doesn't work for me. The version that has standards, that draws lines. It doesn't flinch. You have been too nice for too long. Nice does not earn respect. Boundaries do. Here's the kicker. You treat yourself like trash, and guess what? Everyone else is just following your lead. You skip your goals, your workouts, your promises to yourself, but then act surprised when people skip over you. Don't take yourself seriously. Why the hell would anyone else? You trained the world to ignore you. With your silence, your people-pleasing, or its fine attitude. You made yourself optional. So how do you fix it? No, it is not about reading more books or waking up at 5 a.m. It is simpler. Start honoring your own time, your energy, and your standards, like they are sacred. Say no and mean it. Speak up when something feels off. Walk away when people treat you like a backup plan. Respect doesn't come from being loud. It comes from being solid, consistent, unshakable. You want people to take you seriously? Then stop waiting for permission. Act like you're worth something. Because until you do, no one else will. Stop playing small. Stop begging. Start showing up like someone who matters. Don't just nod along and scroll to the next dopamine hit. Comment on it. If you are done being walked over, and hit that subscribe button, because Napoleon Daily's Discipline is not here to hold your hand. We are here to build your backbone. You have played weak long enough. Now it is time to become undeniable.